Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TECNO Spark 20 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow or just allow in the second one. Now you can tap on wherever you want to in all the other pop-ups. And when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of TECNO. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Spark 20 Pro, using all of those categories at the top, pick your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then got it. In here's some tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit Receive button. Now wait. Close or ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!